Welcome back to our how-to section. Today we're going through how to maximize sales velocity, part 3. This is vehicle equipment and photos. Pretty self-explanatory here. You're going to want to upload all the equipment that you have in your vehicle by simply clicking on either anything in our quick add or adding it here yourself. So things like a custom paint job or a custom stereo, anything that you feel needs to be added in vehicle equipment that's going to help you move that inventory, you're going to want to put it into vehicle equipment. You can easily click on these quick add options here too, and that'll populate right up here. And now we move down to photos. You can add as many photos as you'd like. You just upload the photos here, browse your computer, and populate them inside here. You're going to see that they mark them off 1, 2, 3. You can change those should you like. It's going to change how they come across to the buyers. Now, the best option for photos is to use 20 photos to showcase the vehicle, and of course, to upload any possible descriptions that you had previous before. If there's a ding or a dent, go ahead and populate a photo with that. Now, the document section here is for you to add anything like your Carfax report or anything relevant to the sale. So you need to disclose everything possible. So if you have anything that's going to add to your disclosures, document-wise, go ahead and click on Add Documents, browse your computer, and put them here. That's it for today, guys. This was part 3 of how to maximize sales velocity. If you have any questions, give us a shout, 877-328-1772. Check out our other how-to sections on our BidDaddy Academy. Give us a comment below and subscribe.